Unlocking vocabulary. Understanding Panacea. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy for you. Today, we have a very interesting word to discuss, panacea. This is a word you might come across in books, articles, and even in casual conversations. But what does it mean? How do you use it? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this term. So, grab your notebooks, and let's dive in. Panacea is a noun derived from Greek mythology. In Greek, pan means all, and akos means remedy. So, when you put it together, panacea literally means all healing, or universal remedy. In English, we use panacea to describe something that is supposed to solve all problems or cure all illnesses. It's like a magical solution for everything. Example, some people believe that education is a panacea for all social evils. Now that we know what panacea means, let's learn how to use it in sentences. When using panacea, you often talk about it as if it is a singular solution to multiple or complex issues. Examples: while the new law is beneficial, it is not a panacea for all the economic problems in the country. Exercise is great for health, but it's not a panacea. You also need a balanced diet. A common mistake that learners make is treating panacea as if it is always positive. Remember, just because something is considered a panacea doesn't mean it actually works. People might believe in a panacea, but that belief might be misplaced or over-optimistic. Tips: use panacea when you want to talk about a solution that is believed to solve all problems, but remember to be critical and analytical in your approach. Be careful not to use panacea in a context where a specific solution to a specific problem is being discussed, as panacea implies a universal remedy. And that wraps up our lesson for today on the word panacea. We hope this video has helped shed light on what it means and how to use it correctly in your conversations and writings. Remember, English is a rich and diverse language, and every word you learn adds to your ability to express yourself clearly and confidently. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons like this one. See you in the next video, and until then, happy learning!